Alright, you're going to get out your seam gauge and mark it at 1/4 of an inch, which there is 1/8, 2/8 is 1/4 of an inch. And what I need to do is I need to take this is the opening of the bag at the top that we left open, 2 3/4. I'm going to take that opening and I need to fold it 1/4 of an inch now, which I'm just kind of eyeballing it there, but I measured it and measure it up here, 1/4 of an inch. So first you're going to press it back 1/4 of an inch, and you'll do that on both sides. Quarter of an inch. And then what I need to do is I need to press it back 3/8. So I do 1/4 first, and then 3/8. So I'm going to move my seam gauge to 3/8, measure that. Okay. And then I'm going to put a pin in to hold that. Just temporarily. Then that side, measure 3/8. Alright, so what you're going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and press it one more time down here at the bottom. I'm going to take this back over to the sewing machine, and you're going to sew it kind of like a V. So you're going to start right here at one of the top parts, and I will back stitch, top stitch down this side, and then when I get just past the V opening, so I'm top stitching here, I'm going to leave my needle down and pivot. I'm going to cross over, pivot again, and then I'm going to stitch all the way back up this other side, and I will back stitch when I get to the top. Sewing the top of the bag now. This is the V for the casing, and I'm just going to start with this side up here. I'm on the outside edge of it because I'm trying to hold that little flap down, and I'm going to be top stitching along. I'm going to stitch forward a couple, reverse to the end, so I'm back stitching, and now I'm going to stitch forward down this side. I'm going to get just past that V, and now I'm going to leave my needle down, pivot, okay. I'm going to cross straight over until I get just to about 1/8 of an inch away from the edge of that, and then I'll pivot again. And now I'm going to sew all the way back to the other end, just a top stitch. When I get to the end, I'm going to reverse. Alright, now I'm done.